class 1. Good afternoon. So class 1, in this video class we are going to start our revision for upcoming exam. Okay, this is your revision 1, the written revision of poem 1 and chapter 1. Poem 1 is Now We Are 6 and chapter 1 is My Home and My Family. Okay, in this the first question is fill in the blanks with missing letters. Fill in the missing letters. Words are given from your chapter only and you have to guess the words. Okay, and in each word there is one word missing. There is one letter missing that you have to find out. Okay, so let's get started. In the first question, A is M-R-E. The poem says, when I was 1, I had just begun. When I was 2, I was nearly new. When I was 3, I was hardly me. When I was 4, I was not much more. M-O-R-E, more. And here, M-U-C-H, much. All the words are from the passage only. Next is B-E-G-N. When I was 1, I had just begun. B-E-G-U-N. Next, but now I am 6. I am clever as clever. C-L-E-V-R means C-L-E-V-E-R. Now the next is, when I was 1, I had just begun. When I was 2, I was nearly new. When I was 3, I was hardly me. When I was 4, I was not much more. When I was 5, I was just alive. A-L-I-V-E, alive. But now I am 6 and I am as clever. So I think, T-H-I-N-K, think, I will be 6 now and forever. So this word is were and when. When I was 1, I had just begun. But now I am 6, I am as clever. So I think I will be 6 now and forever. F-O-R-E-V-E-R. So the first question ends. Now the second question is, see question number 2. Learn and write the first 8 lines of the poem Now We Are 6 with the poet's name. That means you have to write the poem, the first 8 lines of the poem with the poet's name. See students, you have to write the revision according to the sequence of the questions only. And you have to put the correct serial number. Then only you can practice well for the upcoming written exam. Now, let's write the poem. Before writing the poem, it is always needed that you should put the heading of the poem like this. So, we have to write the poem Now We Are 6. I'll be using cursive here. Now we are 6. So, the first line of the poem is when I was 1. I had just begun. When I was 2. When I was 2, I was nearly new. Nearly. Nearly. New. When I was 3. When I was 3, I was hardly me. Now let us count how many lines we have written. We have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. And question says to write 8 lines. That means 2 more lines are needed. Now next is, when I was 1, I had just begun. When I was 2, I was nearly new. When I was 3, I was hardly me. Then when I was 4, when I was 4, I was not much more. I was not much more. Here we have completed 8 lines of the poem, and now we are going to write the poet's name, and the poet's name is A. Milne. Okay? And when you write the poem, you should always be conscious about the punctuations. See here, comma, full stop, comma, full stop. It is according to the poem. Okay? I am not putting it on my own. It is in the poem, that's why I am putting. Comma. Okay. So here we have completed it. Now move towards the next question. Now see, question number 3 is fill in the blanks. Here there are 5 questions, A, B, C, D and E. So the first one is Dash plays with Bozo. Who plays with Bozo? Yes, Rohan plays with Bozo. Second, Dash loves to read books. Who loves to read books? It is Mother. Mother loves to read books. Next, see, Dash likes to cook. Who likes to cook in Ria's family? Yes, it is Father who loves to cook. Father. Father likes to cook. Now D, Ria's Dash loves flour. Who loves flour? Who loves flour? It is grandmother who loves flour. G-R-A-N-D, grand. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Now next is, there are Dash members in Ria's family. How many members are there in Ria's family? There are 6 members. S-I-X, 6. And the last one, there are 6, not 6, yes, there are 6 sentences. Grandfather, Ria's grandfather reads newspaper in the, where does he read newspaper? He reads newspaper in the study. S-T-U-D-Y, study. Now the next question. The next question is question number 4, which is write the rhyming words of. They have been given 1, 2, 3, 4 questions for which we have to write the rhyming words. A is D-U-B, dub. So, the rhyming word of dub is T-U-B, dub. C-U-B, cub. Next is shop. The rhyming word of shop is Ta up top. Ka up up. Next, four. F-O-U-R, four. See students, sometimes it happens that the rhyming words are rhyming words in terms of sound and their pronunciation, but it is not needed that their spelling remains the same. As in four, the rhyming word of four I am writing here is sure. For sure. Or you can write for shore. S-H-O-R-E. Rhyming words are, sometimes they are little different to each other. Okay. For sure or show. Now five, it is hive. H-I-V-E, hive, and it can be thrive. T-H-R-I-V-E. See students, you can write your own rhyming words of your choice. Okay. So here question 4 also ends. Now we are moving towards the fifth question, which is a question answers. Okay, and that we will discuss in the live class, but I am just reading out the questions. Who is Bozo? Question number 5. Question number 5. A is, who is Bozo? Who is Bozo? Bozo is Riya's pet dog. Who helps Riya with her homework? Can you tell me who helps Riya with her homework? Riya's mother helps her with her homework. C. Who tells Riya stories? Who tells Riya stories? Her grandmother tells her stories. And D question is, what does Riya's father love to do? Riya's father loves to cook. So, here we have ended up our revision number 1. The same questions we will do in the live class also. Okay, till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care.